next. Zach Anderson is coming off of a Michigan sex offender registry. A Berrien County judge verbally agreed to that today. Now, the Elkhart man was sentenced to 25 years on the registry after having consensual sex with a 14-year-old girl who lied about her age. WSBT-22's Zach Crenshaw is at the live desk right now. And Zach, this has all happened pretty fast.
Just days ago, Zach got the call. Judge Dennis Wiley had thrown out his sentence. That means Anderson now has a shot at staying off the registry altogether. The next step is getting him a youth status that would restore his future to what he hoped it would be. It wasn't Zach Anderson's first time in court, but prior appearances no longer mattered.
So the sentence is set aside. All those terms and conditions that were part of that sentence are now null and void, and we are beginning anew.
Berrien County Judge Angela Pasula is now in charge of Anderson's fate.
We just want to make sure that obviously the punishment fits the crime.
The crime was having sex with a 14-year-old who told Anderson she was 17, something attorney Scott Grable recently confirmed with a lie detector test.
Zach, of course, passed it. He believed that she was 17 years of age.
Anderson, who just turned 20, was sentenced to 5 years probation, but now that's gone. He has a new set of guidelines.
You have a curfew. You have to be at home inside of your place of residence between 9:00 p.m. and 7:00 a.m. every day. You can use a computer, I'm going to indicate, for work or academic, school purposes, things like that.
The judge also agreed to take Anderson off the Michigan Sex Offender Registry, pending a formal request.
That was one of the big things. That's what we've been fighting for so long, is to get him off the registry.
The Andersons are still focused on getting Zach a more lenient youth status that would clear his record.
I'm cautiously optimistic that I think the judge is certainly going to treat him fairly and make a appropriate decision.
In the meantime, the former computer science major is just hoping to return to his normal life.
I'm looking forward to that, though, going back to college.
While Anderson will be removed from the Michigan registry, he will likely remain on Indiana's sex offender registry. Anderson's attorney says if Zach is granted the more lenient youth status, he will still be on the Indiana registry until the probation period is over with, which could be up to 3 years, Rick.
So what's next for the family?
Well, Zach's parents told me they've heard from more than 300 parents across the country who are in similar situations. They're going to continue to push for changes to state and national sex offender laws, particularly as they relate to teens. As for Zach himself, his resentencing has been set for October 21st, and we'll obviously continue to cover this story.
Zach Crenshaw at the live desk tonight. Zach, thank you.